it's Dice here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm really excited because I was in my room, you know, just doing whatever, you know, watching movies and stuff, and I had already seen Midsommar. Obviously, if you've seen the title, you already know what I'm talking about. Like last year sometime, but I just was like, okay, let me rewatch it, and it's crazy. It's one of those movies where it's like you watch it maybe one time and you really don't want to watch it again, or you watch it and you're like, you kind of forget about it, and then you watch it again and you're like, I don't want to watch this again, but in a good way, you know what I mean, like in a horrifying, like kind of good way. So yeah, I was just rewatching it. Also, I was on Pinterest, and I'm gonna give you guys some tea. So if you want to do like a look, like if you were inspired by something to do a look, so say like, you know how I did my Powerpuff Girl video or whatever, say like I was like, actually no, the Midsommar thing is a good example, because it's like, it's a movie that they don't do makeup in, but you just get inspired by all the colors and all the shapes and stuff like that. So if you see that, you could go on Pinterest and look up Midsommar or whatever like inspiration thing that you're looking for, and then you put aesthetic next to it and hit like search, and you get all these good pictures. So basically I just have a bunch of reference pictures that I'll put on the screen here. I'm thinking that I'm gonna do kind of like a yellow eye look because of like the triangle little like house thing in it, and then I also made a May Queen flower crown, which I'm super proud of. Like I literally made this from scratch, and I feel like it looks pretty similar to her picture, besides the fact like obviously hers is like real movie type flowers that can look realistic, and mine are like a little bit more artificial. But other than that, I'm really excited. I'm gonna try to do like a yellow eyeshadow look just to like match the color of the house, and then maybe do like a teardrop. I've never done that before, so I'm hoping I can try to like draw it and make it look good, because like as you guys know, the cover of like the movie or whatever is like her like crying. So yeah, I guess if you guys want to see, oh, and by the way, I know it's not summer or anything, but you know, like when you watch something and you just get inspired and that's the only thing that is in your mind, that's how I'm feeling. Plus it's a little bit warmer here, so let's just stay with the good vibes, and plus you get more good vibes in the summer. Anyways, if you guys want to see my Midsommar inspired look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is my little crown thing. I'm trying to think if I want to wear it while I'm like doing my makeup and all that good stuff, but it looks kind of crazy. Like it looks cute, but because of my hair, so I think I'm gonna like take this off for right now and like do my makeup, and then put it, I'm like crouching down so you guys can see it, do my makeup and all that good stuff, and then put it back on after everything's all said and done, because I want to clip my hair back and this is kind of just in the way. But so you guys can see the masterpiece, I created this with literally flowers from the dollar store and a headband, two headbands, and made it into like a circle thing, period. Okay. Okay, so basically our inspiration for this eye look is this little like triangle little house shed type thing that's in the movie. So I think I'm gonna keep it fairly simple with just like an outline cut crease. Another day, another way that I don't know how to say the way that those eye looks are. But first I'm gonna take the CC Beauty palette, do like an outline of a cut crease, like that, and then I'm gonna fill this completely in with that yellow. Then I'm gonna take some banana powder and I'm just gonna set that. I'm gonna put eyeshadow over it as well, but I just want to set it with powder first just to make sure nothing moves. You can just set it with powder, but I want it to be super pigmented, so I'm gonna set it with eyeshadow as well after. Now I'm gonna take the Nikki Tutorials and Beauty Bag palette, and I'm gonna take the yellow in the palette on a Morphe 167 brush, and I'm basically just gonna put this over that yellow just to set it some more. And you see how much more pigmented that is with that eyeshadow on top. now I'm going to do the other eye. Alrighty, so I did my foundation already, so now I'm gonna do my bottom lash line. So first I'm gonna take a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm gonna take that same yellow. I'm just gonna put some of that under my eye. Okay, and I'm gonna take a liner brush, and I'm gonna take the white from the CC Beauty palette, and I'm gonna try to tight line my bottom lash line. I usually suck at tight lining, but we're gonna try today. Okay, honestly, good enough. My eyes are like water. Okay, now we're gonna try to do a teardrop. It's gonna be very difficult because I never did this before, but I kind of have an idea of kind of how I think it would look good as. Okay, so I put on lashes, so now I'm just gonna do my lips, which I think I'm just gonna do like my go-to nude lip that I always do. So this is the finished look. I love this so much. Like, you guys don't even want to know how cute I feel in this. I just love everything about this. The tear, I'm trying to debate if I even think it looks like a tear, but we're gonna keep it for now just because like it kind of adds some extra pizzazz, you know what I'm saying? These flowers in this white sweater just make everything look so good. So I'll do like a close-up, but honestly the eye look is pretty simple, but the tear kind of looks good up close. So yeah, with my little crown that I made, that I'm so proud of, that I literally made out of like thin air basically. So yeah, this is my finished Midsommar inspired look. So basically I just did like a tear because like obviously if you guys like watch the movie you'll get it, the May Queen crown. And then this is just like kind of like signifies the little triangle, little like house shed type thing, which at the end, you know, goes up in flames. But yeah, this was so fun. Honestly, I don't think this is the last time you guys will be seeing this flower crown. I mean, now it's a May Queen crown, but it probably won't always be. We'll change it up for different things. Oh, you know who else I kind of feel like, you know the little tree thing from Moana? I don't know why I feel like that as well. But this video was so fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on this good old YouTube here, you can follow me on my socials, my other socials, all that good stuff will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely recreate this look because it's so fun. Definitely recreate making something. Like, also headpieces are like another thing that I love making. Like, just get some flowers from the store, and if you don't like want to put two headbands together to make a like crown thing, then just get like, it's just fun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.